Hello, thank you for joining me today on this video overview of a new Teams app template called the Attendance app. I'm Kieran Thomas from Microsoft Teams Engineering. I'm super excited to show you this app template and I hope you like it. In case you're not familiar with app templates, they're free to use open source apps that work with Microsoft Teams. The page you're looking at here is the catalog of all the app templates, and you can get it at the URL shown up top. It's www.aka.ms/teamsapptemplates. This website has an overview that explains each of the app templates and also has a link to the source code on GitHub. And on the right, you can see links to all the app templates that we have available right now. Before further ado, let's jump into the app itself. The Attendance app is designed to be used in a classroom scenario with a teacher and a group of students. The app can help the teacher record attendance of students directly on Microsoft Teams without having to use a pen and paper. So let's pretend that I'm a math teacher and my name is Chris Green. I've already set up a team with my students in it, and I've also added the Attendance app as a tab to my team. So the first step before I start to take attendance is to make sure that I have the right class selected. So it's math here, so that looks right. I want to make sure that it's on the right date, so it's defaulted to the correct date. And then I have to select when my class starts and ends. So let's say it's a 45-minute class that starts at 10 and goes to 10:45. So let's select that. Great, I've selected my class time. I'm ready to start recording attendance. So once I click the initiate button, it'll populate all the students in my class and set them up so that I can record attendance. So here I can go down the list. Let's say Kara is in, Adele is present, Eldon is present, say Ashley is absent, Young is late, Rosie is excused, let's say Terry is present, but I want to leave a comment saying had a valid excuse. Let's say Wiley is also present. And I won't record my own since I'm a teacher. Great, I'm done. I'm good to go. Now that I've recorded attendance, if I want, I can also go into the historic attendance tab and look at past attendance. So as you can see here, the start and end date is today's attendance. It shows how many classes I've conducted in total, what my attendance numbers look like, and for each student I can see specifically how many they were present, absent, and so on. And if I want, I can export the student details individually, or I can also export the entire list. So let's try exporting all, and then you'll see up top details for all students exported to OneDrive. And if I want to access that data, I can go right into OneDrive here. Let's refresh this page. There we go. It's already in and ready to be viewed. And the export, it has all the details, including the notes and comments. So this should give you a good idea of how the Attendance app was built and it works. What you're looking at here is the GitHub page that has the code that you can use to deploy and use yourself. Once it's deployed, you can add it to any class and it's ready to use. We have other great documentation here as well that walks through the deployment guide. It gives you detailed steps on how to deploy it the first time in your organization, how to set it up and get it running. We have other awesome information like the best practices for using the app, how the architecture works, some information about how the data is stored, and so on. So I really hope this has given you a good idea about how the Attendance app works, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.